Hey folks, welcome to Sawnee Mountain Motors Online. Looking for a cheap truck? I guarantee you found your truck. This is a good friend of mine's truck. He's had it for years. He just traded it in on a new 23 GMC. He has taken spectacular care of this truck its whole life. Z71 two-wheel drive crew cab. It is just as nice as it can be. We have been working on it, servicing it, cleaning it, detailing it. And look how nice this thing is. It's a really well equipped truck. Leather, buckets, and super nice. Had a scratch or a little dent on the tailgate, which we fixed. He already had almost new tires on it. They're in great shape, if not new. You know what, this is not buckets, this is the 20-40-20 seat, I'm sorry. Misspoke. 20-20-40 actually. It's got the WeatherTech floor liners in it. Interior just doesn't show anywhere at all, hardly. It's got 169,000 miles on it. He tells me he had a transmission rebuild a couple years ago, which is not a lot of miles. Had a little vibration. I think they had the wrong fluid in it. So we serviced the transmission. Everything is fine. Like I say, we fixed the dent in the tailgate. There's a little dent in the rear bumper right there. We have a new rear bumper here for it. It's actually going on today when my guy gets here. Bed liner. That's the only bump left on the truck right there. And like I said, we have a new chrome rear bumper going on today. We have financing even for these older, less expensive trucks. Good credit, bad credit, no problem. The Carfax is on my website free of charge. The last entry on the Carfax will be our service work once I get all the ticks closed on the truck. And just a really, really spectacular, inexpensive truck. If any of you guys have been looking for trucks under 15,000 bucks, then you know when you get there, they don't look like this. You can give me a call anytime on my cell, Mike Stout, 404-867-5028. Call me anytime. Happy to answer any questions that you have. Come see and drive this truck. You will be impressed. Thanks. Have a great day.